Have you been wanting to buy your very own piece of the beautiful family area Aberfoyle Park? Well, now could be exactly your chance. I'm Todd Sloan. Let me show you through number 24 New York Road in Aberfoyle Park. Offering 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 living areas on an easy care allotment. Don't waste the weekends taking care of a massive block. This is a low maintenance property that gives you the lifestyle back that you've been looking for. Open plan living makes it easy to keep an eye on the kids and offers a more sociable setting for spending time with friends and family. Keep cool in summer and with the ducted evaporative air conditioning, and nice and toasty warm in winter with this ducted gas heating throughout the whole home. Want to save time getting the kids to school? With the campus primary only minutes away, Aberfoyle Park High School just down the road, you'll be able to take more time back for exactly what you want to do. How about shopping? Well, the Hub Shopping Centre is only a few minutes away with all your shopping needs each week. Keeping the kids active in this beautiful space is easy, with a footy oval nearby, BMX track and the friendly visit every now and then from kangaroos and koalas. Need to get into the city? Well, in about 30 minutes you can be at the Adelaide CBD. When it's time for a dip in the sea on those hot summer days, in about 15 minutes you'll be at Brighton Beach, soaking up all of the fun and the sun that you can handle in this absolutely beautiful part of the world. So when you'd like to learn more about this beautiful family home in an amazing area, give me a call. I look forward to seeing you at the Open.